Welcome guys, welcome to the channel guys. Yeah man, big up on yourself guys. So today I am in Westmoreland in a very small town area with them call name Peterfield in Westmoreland guys. So take a tour with Fire Reid. Yeah man, you see that town area, very small town area. If you make the right turn guys, will take you all to Roaring River. Yeah man. On your left you also have a pharmacy over there, soon open. A pharmacy, ice cream and popcorn selling this area. Yeah man, good for you can start a small business. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Anyone who watch from yard or abroad, you can big up on yourself. No say no Jamaican tour guide Fire Reid this take on to many different places in the countryside area guys in Jamaica. Also town areas also guys. Yeah man, so enjoy the tour. As we say, I'm not trying to know Jamaica as much as possible. If you try to visit Jamaica or you don't plan to visit Jamaica, this is the channel you will see a lot about Jamaica, many different areas, many different places where to go, where to eat, where not to go. Yeah man. On your left you have the Indian jerk and curry. Yeah man, so you have a nice place in this area, Indian jerk and curry. Yeah man, very nice name. So when you come to Westmoreland area guys, we have some different type of breadfruit in the Westmoreland area guys. Yeah man, so welcome to Peterfield guys. Yeah man, Peterfield. Think it's about 15 to 20, it's about 15 minutes drive to Savanna guys. Or it could be less also. Yeah man, so you soon have to look out for them goats here in the middle of the road. Look out for them goats here, my people. Yeah man, goat and stray animal. Yeah man, so I take the time and go around them you know. Have to care for the animal them too, you know. On your right, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Peterfield. think we're in the Cornwall area, guys. On your left, guys, you have the Westmoreland Garden Neighborhood Watch. Watch him, guys, watch him. Yeah. So they must dolly on the road. So overtake and come in on the vehicle and mash them up. You see how them drive on the road, guys? Yeah, man, at Jamaica with them, man. Look out for anything. Look out for anything on the road. Some careless driver. Careless rider also, guys. Some of the times, you know, when them bike guys are looking at your vehicle, they don't have an insurance, so you have to stand all of the costs. I tell them my people, I want to understand everything. So I'm not pray to God no lick up none on bike people, yeah, man. Just try to drive safe as possible. As I said, no matter how you try to drive safe on the road, you have some careless driver out there. Very careless. Reckless driver also, guys. Full speed ahead. Yes, my people, them say Santa Cruz town hot in St. Elizabeth, but I think Westmoreland is very hot also, guys. Yeah, man, you have to care for the kids them, you know. Care for your kids them. So guys, I think we're in the Hartsfield area. We have a Hartsfield in this area, guys. Not only Mandeville. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. Yeah man, so look for the next video for Savanna town area, guys. Yeah, look out for that video there. Yeah man, for the Savanna town area, guys. Yeah man.